Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and hey, the numbers are in. We are at, according to Addplex, 84.2% of Windows 10 PCs are on the April 2018 update. Pretty amazing numbers. The fastest, of course, the fastest growing version of Windows 10, and it is quite amazing to see how it's rolling fast. So these are the latest numbers we've got today, July the 26th. I'm still a little, I don't know. I would say I'm still kind of a little surprised at how fast they're pushing it when you consider that, when all you hear about the problems that were plaguing this version of Windows 10. Is it careless? What is it? Is it the sheer number of, there's 84%, it pushed it really fast. So if just 1% of people have problems, or 0.5%, well, because they're pushing it fast, it makes it, of course, much more, we see much more people complaining about some issues. I don't know. It's a very, very interesting outlook. Now, one thing for sure is that we need to see, and we need to have fast rollout of Windows 10, and it's kind of, I understand that if Microsoft still wishes to push out 2 updates a year, yet I don't know, they got to do something. One other thing for sure is when you look at the Insider Preview Redstone 5 build that we have right now, for example 17723, what we see is that they're already really taking the time to look at it. I think they have kind of learned a lesson with April 2018 update, and I would think that the next update in September or October will be much more not only better, but it will be much more stable and have less issues. And I think they're focusing really hard on that because they understand that the sheer future of just these updates is at stake if they don't, take care of it. It's just crazy. So Windows 10, 84.2% are on April 2018. If you look at the other versions, Fall Creators Update still 10.3%, and Creators Update 1703, 2.1%. If you're on the older version, 1607, 1511, 1507, you really, really should update because you don't have any security updates anymore, and you're at risk. And Windows 10 RS5 Insiders registered a 0.3%. It's kind of interesting to see. So what do you think about this fast rollout of the April 2018 update? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.